So Basintale, Basintale, Deputy National Communications Officer of the NDC. Now, omu position. Esa say with me di Dr. Baomian tem a chan toto Dr. Baomian so say or you preko or no ma petition. Emma Muslims community no ebufu Dr. Baomian to about tianinti. NDC ba power mo. Oma reward no. Oma bonabaso ama ne position as YCU. Youth Employment Agency CEO. Only certificate to only classmate. O kachere Basintale say on find a degree certificate in Chirewa ebe than mabo. But because with me trying throttle Baomiaso. Ain't he? Man appointment. Now he is one of the most useless people Mahama man appointment. All the appointees of Mahama are useless, but Basintale he's the most useless among them all. Very useless. Nisu nimfasubia obey CEO of YE afini. Ontimi nchire ade ba ko awaye. Ade ba ko awaye. And ade ba ko awaye Basintale aye. Ene se obey CEO wenye sika. E de akwa amono ne akoye ne 9 ne 9 na ayese ki no. Aha. Ne 9 na ayese ki no. Wenye sika e de akoye wa amono ne. Asia fixing his spine. Enya ahoden ono kwase asa no chese onimnyansa ye tam sika e de koye ye nan e ko fix ye nan ene ye spine but adwumafu a eye adwuma o wa ye de won dwene o ho for the first time in 9 years why ye workers me na me ye adwuma o why ye workers e di Christmas without any bonus. Christians are ye adwuma o why e di Christmas without bonus. For the first time,
Mr. President, like video, no subscribe to the channel, and what notifications and next time. Videos of this nature about so bit my Kevin. Mr. President, as all boy studio sound, internet, light, BB up to the sponsor be whatever may here to reach out through number never see when I Sabeka in the best you better was pass. Now, I send my pine and say, lie bad. Ghana for his physical I'm going to go video.
So, Basintale, Deputy National Communications Officer of the NDC. Now, omu position. Esa say with me di Dr. Baomian tem a chan toto Dr. Baomian so say or you preko or no ma petition. Emma Muslims community no ebufu Dr. Baomian to about tianinti. NDC ba power mo. Oma reward no. Oma bonabaso ama ne position as YCU. Youth Employment Agency CEO. Only certificate to only classmate. O kachere Basintale say on find a degree certificate in Chirewa ebe than mabo. But because with me trying throttle Baomiaso. Ain't he? Man appointment. Now he is one of the most useless people Mahama man appointment. All the appointees of Mahama are useless, but Basintale he's the most useless among them all. Very useless. Nisu nimfasubia obey CEO of YE afini. Ontimi nchire ade ba ko awaye. Ade ba ko awaye. And ade ba ko awaye Basintale aye. Ene se obey CEO wenye sika e de akwa amono ne akoye ne 9 ne 9 na ayese ki no. Aha. Ne 9 na ayese ki no. Wenye sika e de akoye wa amono ne. Asia fixing his spine. Enya ahoden ono kwase asa no chese onimnyansa ye tam sika e de koye ye nan e ko fix ye nan ene ye spine but adwumafu a eye adwuma o wa ye de won dwene o mo ho for the first time in 9 years why ye workers me na me ye adwuma o why ye workers e di Christmas without any bonus. Christians are ye adwuma o why e di Christmas without bonus. For the first time, Muslims are and what why you omu ye adwuma ebe di sala ene omu di sala akopem Monday without bonus. Yes, me ye adwuma why ye under JFK. Na afi su bia oh yes we worker nya 100% of your basic salary as bonus 100%. See a debo abaso but sir akwa with this clown Basantale be CEO last year when Timian Tia bonus or catch on say obetua bonus no de sala ene ye sala say ene na Basantale ba betua why for adwuma yefo bonus a yenim nti sa sala omudi Muslims are why including NDC for na omubu afu no ni board information e ma me o NDC ni mene wo kase over 1 year Basantale be CEO beneficiaries of marketia 400 cedis a month or so ontimi ntuae ana beneficiaries ni kwa hohiahiam eko brem some of them they have to resort to be sibra krono kitten just asefem and why he has a dedicated funding why he is one of the few government agencies because emrana establish why I'm a dedicated funding ye wotua ye pia eno and funding the activities of why including beneficiaries allowances and afinso employees salaries sikano Ghana funja ntuae but Basantale ni NDC yenim ni omo di sikane ye anene why ye workers go through ahohiahiem ano sorry obeye meeting and no call Australia. Basantale onye meeting wo Ghana wo say ebia ye kwa akoye workshop bi na wo makwa akwaje Kufurudia Capital View Hotel ana say Rock City ni ade bi. Basantale wono oye meeting na o call Australia na UK na ne ekeka ho. Chese kwasia na ni ate. Ana say kwasia we hu asikiri o di kwasia he's been exposed to sugar sugar nama when you diabetes what he's been exposed to power and I am man position kesia sika bebre eba why yinti say tini basa as an kwasiafo we juma wo mu di na and I think say he's the propounder of sa ora na ababe a white elephant ababe abatos since NDC for komunum I think say he's the one that started na ora no then NDC be ko position wonu ne be di ni first and don fan saying baby ensunka moa
Mumisa no say certificate of participation ye de ko padwuma le gwanwu ko no 4 years one need certificate na no ye papa ewiase nyina obatim di akono wantima ntwera mpaase anye enna wo de ye sika atwa wo de akoland se mu ye leadership training na mu wia ya mamu certificate of participation no de ababe sidanum and the guess me call landing me call ye certificate of participation and no ye certificate ye ko pa adwuma Addo mine sika akogye sa certificate ne mum. Eno na kire se wokoba obetima ye na dwuma ye as a chief executive officer e wo wayiye. Jesus Christ. Ye nam say me ka me si loading boy se fa. Ye nam nyina ye se omo wonyansa nyina ya lo. Loading boy se fa sa training ya wo ye a wo di wa ye board members ko certificate of participation na wo akwaje no a mo ya boka prim a Ghana na atuaka no sami jamfi ye ne de 2023 Harvard University leadership training Harvard University or ye need 2023 unse da bia na metumu fo say mudi na ti amoye famfu no waboa ne ho certificate yankasa no wo bi osan ko g3 our Harvard University 2023 or yira beye 2 months and ye ntenenka no no che Harvard ye leader ni first degree na mo ye ne chief executive officer mo mi say ho afena yenam kwanchen e certificate of participation a terminal report to kramu oduru chen certificate of participation no me banana ya na yi terminal report obo throughout emu oduru chance sika na sa certificate na ya so o man ni sika edit land na ye bagye no say ye ko training na hwe na ya terminal report wa obo free soro kosi fam emu oduru chance sa certificate of participation no nsia di pounds akwakoje na nunti modi letter ba bonten ebe katakata anse e free neko bi obekosa leadership training no ewom se bi wo ha ehia omumma yehu ne yatia ne se obi amfa certificate ama nti afi na open certificate nti ye ma ne yentuaka oni atam nguso ne yensa ntwa ne school fees nguso and this appointment letter full soldiers no appointment letter for training. This is who training in London. The young crowd, near Moya, what the letter by you, Yenim Niachere. To be unto me, may ye, a dear be a say a calf and chain, and fat. And fat. Go more my book at Tanina Yenim. Omo my book at Tanina Yenim. Ya get that information into
What is so special about a 120-meter asphalt runway? What is so special about what government itself describes as minimal renovation of a building? And if Andy can put the pictures of the Sunyani airport on the screen for people to see the works they claim to have done, that you would want to do this contract through sole sourcing. Why?
What is so special about renovation of a year Bank of Ghana old building and Wu Gold Board that it could not have been through competitive tendering? What is so urgent about it? But clearly Sami Jamfi wants to steal us through a year one standubi. Now come
Abusia, Mahama Yarega, NDC majority leader in parliament. As the NDC and promise teacher for omu school muse. Omu line send shares amsono omu betwem.
NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams.
Now 2024 Abraham Mahama m0n3y eye campaign si ento abama na be president e den ankasa ana o ka fa licensure exams no.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
NDC party no sabi enye nkwasiafo nko an party o enye nkwasiafo nko an na join ni NDC o enye nkwasiafo 6 million nko an ana to abama NDC party ni ya abonsamfo party ope party a omfa Ghana fo nya hwe omu ni anidie ema Ghana fo party a omu 15 penny so ebesi nkola so entro enada omu di omudwuma ope party a propaganda say yen chantro yenda dan krofon fanji to me oma kwadiri mu a omu di omudwuma na ye NDC se woni NDC ni egoro emfa ho se ebo a wo share wo obe record no watwe egu phone so na ode egu internet so emfa ho se mo be sensan krata emfa ho se mo be sensan krata wo be hye wo bo na duru se won fofele bo na oba be catch up say wan kasa if you say silence exams we as far back as 2020 elections and NDC for sure say one more shebo almost teacher from school bo esen we to abamo mope omobe cancel airline licensure exams. And I'm going to give you evidence aside video na mahwe of Mahama ono shebo or launching the campaign or kasi su pain a teacher licensure exams no omu betwem NDC proud to 2024 elections no omu launch two important documents for the first time. NDC for launch youth manifesto. Now youth manifesto now omu launch no under education they had litany of promises omu promising Ghana mebu na ngomu school na meba be kind part a file licensure exams no ho e de achew over NDC omo youth manifesto no na ukomu a asefem enkrofo we criminals NDC they be I can say NDC is a criminal organization. Over NDC youth manifesto now page 7 where you simple. National point J point J Munzi you say we will cancel the obnoxious licensure exams for teacher training graduates. I say we will cancel the obnoxious teacher training licensure exams for a teacher training graduates. They plain, almost kind of plain youth manifesto. What they are not on China, and this mother manifesto, no main manifesto, no more lunch here. Mahama Kwa said the 24-hour clock call any other. And also, what the shame of manifesto. Now, page 99. Mother manifesto, no page 99. Now we share paragraph 5.1.5.5. Paragraph 5.1.5.5. And if you have 7 say teacher professional development, licensure and welfare. Almost say the next NDC government will place teachers at the heart of its educational reforms. We will prioritize enhanced conditions of service, professional development, and teacher welfare through the following initiatives. Point one, we tell you or say we will abolish the teacher licensure examination and integrate the licensing processes into the final year examination of trainees. Same way. Mahama can say exams now and school